in my face.
Not that close.
I just want to see. Okay. While since my truck has been in the mud at all.
The coronavirus can suck my little donut hole, so I'll see you guys next time.
So you're gonna put the charger in the mud?
You're gonna see my bumper and how fucked up it is.
Charger in the mud? Maybe. He's bringing it over here. We'll see what we can convince him to do.
It's Brad, baby! That's what I'm talking about.
So in the, first of all, what's going on today, Bright Gang? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. This coronavirus isn't stopping us from doing lifted truck things. That's what we do, so. Ooh.
That's deep. That's a little deep.
That's,
hey, come out and do this same line you did yesterday.
that_H2, follow him on Instagram. I got my truck a little dirty too.
Turn it around and now I'll spin tires.
You spin tires right here.
Yeah, but I'm gonna put my truck like this guy. This is soft. I've already gone through.
Is he gonna make it?
He's gonna get stuck.
You think so?
Oh yeah. That water's been sitting for like a week.
Oh, he's good.
It always sits.
Whoa! Let her eat. Well, all right then.
Look at that license plate, man.
Nothing crazy, just a little bit. This thing hadn't seen mud in over a year.
We're all four spinning.
No, back to you. It went right and then left. Yeah, dude. Look at your license plate. Blow that out, though.
It's already blurred out on the front.
Yeah.
This is the side that was really spinning, but this side's not really that dirty.
What is she doing?
I guess I'll back the truck into the mud. If you guys remember, the two-wheel drive does not work right now, so I'm not gonna full send it today. And I've got the wheel lights on, so, but I will back it into the water, get a couple pictures for Instagram, and then attempt to make it out safely. That's the goal. Bobby over here.
All right, Emma, right there is good.
What's he gonna do? That's not a 2020.
Yeah, that is.
No, that is not a 2020.
What is that?
It's like a 2015 or 16. Back it on in. She looks so happy right now.
So pissed. Roll your window back up. Go. Back a little bit further.
He just asked how deep it is. For those of you wondering, yes, I have Young Gravy in the video.
Yes, sir.
This guy, for any of you that know Young Gravy the rapper, Devin here sounds just like Young Gravy.
I don't hear it.
Just like him.
I don't hear it.
I need to like play a song in the background for just a second so you guys can understand
What's
what he
another
sounds.
one? How many can we fit in
No,
a Tesla?
yeah. Whip a Tesla.
Whip a Tesla.
Mrs. Buttersworth. I know you know that song.
I did.
Mrs. Buttersworth. Ooh.
I went to his concert.
Doesn't he? And you didn't hear that? You didn't hear the
I did.
resemblance?
No.
Doesn't he sound like Young Gravy?
Yeah.
No.
Dude, after that video, side by side.
This guy's telling you. Young Gravy. I got Young Gravy filming my YouTube
Dude, I
videos.
can do your
now.
intros.
Mrs. Buttersworth.
Mrs.
I'm telling you,
Buttersworth.
just the Young Gravy. All right, Young Gravy, let's see it. My man with the tinted headlights. I like it. Let's see it, Young Gravy. Spin them tires.
He's gonna gun it.
Just don't hit my truck.
Move up there. By the road. Go by the road.
Oh, he flipped the hat around. Uh-oh.
Try it there.
No, you're good. Keep coming. You're good. You're good.
Put him in the water. Put him in the water.
He's only spinning the other side. I didn't even get to see it. He was only spinning the other side. That's lame.
Come back.
Hey, you got a reverse light out, Young Gravy. Mrs. Buttersworth. TMZ. Is your, I don't know what to say. Yes.
Which side was it?
It's only this side that spins.
That side. This
Tell me when I'm in
go
the
back
water.
further. Put him in the water.
Oh, no, don't put it in the water.
Dude, we can pull you out.
Find out where my, how to get toe strap.
Dude, we'll just go through there right now. All right?
Woo. All right, let her eat.
Tire didn't break loose again.
Only the left side, yeah. Oh, now it's just the right side. That makes no sense. Oh, and now the ball's gone. At first it was the left, now it's the right side. Are you gonna do it again? He said, hell yeah. Do it for the bread gang? Do it for the content.
You'll break loose in that water. Like, you don't
I
even
break
need to worry
loose
about
on both
Come
sides.
this way though. You're way the hell that way. Come this way.
Mudding in a Charger? My man's full sending in the Charger right now. Y'all go follow him on Instagram.
Hey, more. Watch that tree though, over there. Dude, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, go like this much more.
Is he in the water on that side?
Is he on that side?
No.
He's like, dude, oh.
Oh, okay.
Did you just keep it close to the metal?
Huh?
Did you just floor it? Is that what you did?
No, not much.
What'd
Not
you do?
much. You got a Hellcat engine in that thing?
Yeah, it's 5.0 Coyote.
That's messed up.
0.7 V6.
Let it rip. We're Monday in a Charger for the content.
You filming?
I got Young Gravy filming my videos.
Yes,
Who do y'all
sir.
know on YouTube that has Young Gravy filming their videos? Young Gravy in the cut.
I mean, maybe Young Gravy himself.
Young Gravy doesn't film his own videos though.
Maybe like a Snapchat video.
Maybe. Oh, I feel so weird.
In my car too.
Shout out the plug.
Bojangles.
Plug.
Bow time.
Shout out the plug, yes sir.
Take it easy on my baby girl.
I'm scared.
You gotta go more that way. No, other way. Yeah. Yeah. You straight back. I'll tell you. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. A little more. A little more. If we're gonna get it stuck, we might as well get it stuck. Right there, right there, right
I
there.
don't want to get it stuck.
Alright, let's do this.
I'd say go more.
Drive. Go more.
Go more.
Fine. A little bit more, a little bit more.
You'll break out.
Hey, better not
Good
slide.
thumbnail? You gotta get a good thumbnail.
Put your arm like this. Yeah.
Wait, do I keep going?
That's good, dude. He's in the water on this side.
Am I in the water on that side?
Okay.
Wait, you're in over there?
Can I put the windows up?
Yeah, you keep it.
Floor it?
Leave the brake on for a little bit and then go. It spun on that side and then it spun on this side.
The right side stopped.
Maybe you need to go on that side. Here, I'll put it in.
Put it in.
Yeah, slide it in.
Slide it in.
Something's what?
Something's what?
Did you hear it? Something clicked. I don't know what it was. It's probably your tire.
Why are you saying that?
Don't. One more? Okay, all right.
Was underwater.
I guess one more time. Okay, all right.
One more time.
I believe in you. Right. All right. I don't know. Yeah, right there. That's good.
One more push.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, that was good. Take us out, Young Gravy.
All right, boys. What am I saying? Do it again.
You just say like, subscribe,
Hit the like button,
comment.
hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. We got some mud on the truck today, once in a long time. Not doing it again until y'all hit me, until y'all get me to 10,000 subscribers. So make that happen. We got a long way to go, but we get this bread either way. The coronavirus, but again, the coronavirus. Let's get this bread.
Young Gravy out.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom _ F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.